Hey there! Today I want to talk about something deeply personal and transformative. Letting go of regret. It's a journey, but it's one worth taking. Regret is a heavy burden. It ties us to the past and keeps us from moving forward. But you don't have to live in the shadow of your mistakes. You have the power to let go, forgive yourself, and find freedom. First, acknowledge your regret. Don't shove it down or ignore it. Accept that it happened and understand why it still affects you. This is the first step to healing. Next, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Remember, you are human. We all make mistakes. Talk to yourself like you would to a dear friend, with empathy and understanding. Reflect on what you've learned from the experience. Every mistake carries a lesson. Embrace that lesson and let it guide you to be a better version of yourself. Then, shift your focus to the present. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Surround yourself with positive influences. Nature, for instance, has a magical way of healing our wounds. Lastly, forgive yourself. This is crucial. Forgiving yourself means accepting that you are worthy of love and happiness. It means releasing the hold that regret has on your life. Remember, letting go of regret is not about forgetting the past, but freeing yourself from its grip. It's about stepping into a new chapter, lighter and more at peace. Take a deep breath. You are on your way to finding freedom. You deserve it, and you can do it. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take care.